You ever meet that one person who's just unshakably calm? Like everything's on fire and they're just sipping coffee like it's a normal Tuesday. But here's the thing, not all calm people are the same. There isn't just one kind of calm. There are four minds, four ways to survive the storm. Some pretend, some are broken, some are strategic, and one lives on another level entirely. Let's find out which one you are. The calm faker. This is the person who looks chill, but inside it's like, okay. Don't panic, but everything's on fire. They're calm on the outside, poker face activated, but internally, their brain's running a full crisis meeting. Imagine them in a job interview. The interviewer asks, so, tell me about yourself. And the brain goes, tell them what? Who even am I? But on the outside, well, I'm very passionate about teamwork. This type is powerful because they've mastered emotional masking, the ability to look calm even when they're not. Psychologists call it surface acting. It's exhausting, but effective. They survive chaos by faking serenity. It's like being a duck, calm on the surface, paddling like crazy underneath. But sometimes the mask cracks. You'll know it when they suddenly say, I'm fine. And that I'm fine carries pure emotional thunder. The numb survivor. Then there's the second type, the calm that comes after the storm. These are the people who've already been through the worst. They've cried all the tears, they've lost, struggled, maybe broken a few times, and now nothing really shocks them anymore. It's not that they chose to be calm, it's that life burned them so many times they stopped reacting to the fire. When something bad happens, they just sigh. Yeah, I've seen worse. That calmness isn't peace, it's a quiet armor. It's what happens when you felt too much pain and your brain decides, we can't afford to fall apart again. They smile, they help others. They seem strong, and they are. But their calmness was paid for with sadness, with years of surviving things they never asked for. They don't chase drama anymore because they know what real chaos feels like. The overthinker strategist. These are the quiet masterminds. They don't panic because their brain is already running a simulation of every possible disaster. You say, what if this goes wrong? They say, I already made 3 backup plans and 1 escape route. They appear calm because they've mentally prepared for chaos a long time ago. For example, group project goes wrong. Everyone's panicking. This person just pulls out plan B, like, relax, I saw this coming in 2018. Their calm comes from control. They think ahead so deeply that by the time something bad happens, they're emotionally bored of it. And finally, the rarest type, the person who's genuinely calm, not faking, not strategizing, just peaceful. You know the type. You tell them the flight got delayed 5 hours. They just shrug. Cool, more time for snacks. Their secret? Radical acceptance. They don't waste energy fighting reality. They trust that things will work out, and if not, they'll adapt. Psychologically, they've trained their brains to reframe stress as something neutral. They don't deny problems, they just don't personalize them. Basically, life's a roller coaster, and they've decided to enjoy the ride. Hands up, screaming with joy while everyone else is white-knuckling the seat. So, which one are you? The calm faker, the numb survivor, the overthinker strategist, or the true chill soul? Whichever you are, remember calmness isn't about never feeling stress. It's about how you handle it. So the next time life gets crazy, channel your inner calm, even if it's fake at first. Because who knows? Fake it long enough and one day, it just becomes real. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with your chaotic friends, and comment below which type of calm you think you are. Stay chill and see you in the next one.